Hello friends, welcome back to my recipe journal. Today we'll be making this lovely cucumber salad. Trust me, it is so easy to make and whoever you're serving it to, they're absolutely going to love it. So for this recipe, I'll be using just 2 cucumbers and I'll be using a mandolin to slice this. You can also use a knife, but why I prefer to use a mandolin is because you get very even slices and they are so thin. I just love the way it looks this way, but you can use a knife as well, it doesn't matter, you still get the same results. What I'll be doing next is adding salt to these cucumber slices. This process is called sweating. So basically the salt draws out the moisture from the cucumber so your salad doesn't get too soggy. You allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll keep this aside for now. What I'll be doing next is in a clean bowl, add water. The measurements for all of this will be in the description box so you can check it out. Also add vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar or you use lemon juice for this in place of white vinegar. Next we'll add sugar. Again, the measurements will be in the description box. Black pepper. Then you combine all of this together. So it's been 10 minutes and this is how my cucumber is right now. You can see all of this water that has been drawn out by the salt. What you want to do next is strain away that water and then you combine it with this mixture we made earlier. After combining, you can once again drain the water after 10 minutes or you just serve as it is right now. But it's all good to go. Your cucumber salad is ready to be served. For a little variation of making a creamy cucumber salad, what you want to do is get a clean bowl, add some Greek yogurt, or you can use sour cream for this as well. You'll add in your mayonnaise, so I'm just going to mix this up very well. In the meantime guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and please drop a comment below. Thank you. So I'll be adding this mixture to the cucumber salad. Combine this well and your creamy cucumber salad is ready to be served. Enjoy. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.